Ahaslides quiz tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a quiz using Ahaslides. The first thing you want to do, once on their platform, you're going to tap on sign up for free, and you can create an account using your email address. After creating your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, you have a few options. You can tap on browse all and you could browse the different templates, and you could choose a particular template. As you can see, there are numerous templates that you can choose from, or you can tap on blank. So let's say I were to select blank right here. After doing that, you can tap on pick an answer if you would like to add multiple choice questions, or if you would like to add short answer, you can do that. You can also use match pairs, correct order, and you can also use the spin the wheel option. There are numerous options that you can choose from, whether you like to add an open-ended question or you'd like to add content and then add your question. For this example, I'm going to be using multiple choice, so I'll tap on pick an answer. After doing that, you can type in your question right there. After typing in your question, you'll go over to the right hand menu option where you see options, and you can type in the suggested answers. After typing in the suggested answers, you can also scroll down and you could set a time limit. So this will set a time limit, so after a while, if persons are taking too long to answer the questions, their time will eventually expire, or they can move on to a next page if you want. So you can set the time limit right there. After doing that, you can tap on general quiz settings. After doing that, you will see different options that you can choose from, but majority of these options you will need to be on the paid plan to get access to them. So that would be your first slide. After doing that, you'll see the leaderboard, and the leaderboard will basically show the correct answers. Then you can add more slides by tapping on new slide, and you could add a different question type, whether you like to add an order, a correct order option, you can do that also. Or if you would like to add a different type of question overall, a poll, you can do that also using Ahaslides. Once you're finished setting it up, to share your questions, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner, and you have a few options. You can either copy the link and share it, or you can download the QR code and then share it via QR code. Or you could tap on publish right here, and then you could publish it if you want, or you can tap on share slides and you'll be able to share it via Google Drive. If you were to go onto their paid plan, you could share it via PDF or images. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.